today with a Homelight chainsaw 3514C. I'm pretty sure it's not 3514 cc's, so I'm assuming maybe 35 cc's, and it's a 14-inch bar. That would be my assumption. The person that owns this says that it just doesn't really want to idle, doesn't really want to cut, but will start, and I will agree that I have started it, and you're definitely right, it just falls on its face every time. I spent the whole 10 seconds adjusting the carb real quick just to see if it's something simple. It doesn't appear to be. So, first things first. A couple things I'm assuming is wrong. Carb issues, naturally, or dirty air filter, plugged exhaust, or it could be as simple as bad fuel. So, bad fuel is a whole lot easier to rectify than all the other ones, so let's get that started first. The fuel line's actually not look all that bad in there. We need to get a glass or some type of clear container. Let me go and find one and bring you back. Okay, not the cleanest, but it's clear. And I doubt we're going to be saving this fuel anyway, so let's see what it looks like. Not horrible. Fuel line's not even feel too bad. This smells very odd though. It smells old. I'm just thinking maybe that's just old straight fuel. Let's prime all the out that we can. Okay, let's put some known good fuel in there. This is 45-1. It calls for 50. That's also, whoa, not on there tight. I'm going to change the head on this thing. I'll be right back. Okay, a while back I changed this, and I don't think I like it. So I'm just going to go back to my old one. Fill it up about half. More than enough. Seal in there looks good. Okay. Put this off to the side. Let's give it a couple pumps. This is the throttle. That sucks. Now it doesn't want to start. If you drop start it. Nah. Hey, it's flooded. looking too promising. Let's take the top off. See what we have going on underneath. Where are we held up on? Is there another one? Okay, so this is by far one of the stupidest designs I've seen in a long time, but we'll continue on. It's like it's stuck in there. It's not even a bolt. It's like it's clipped and the clip is broken. But whatever. Let's see if there's spark. It's going to be interesting considering you can't take the stupid cover off. Oh yeah, there's spark. About 5 seconds away of just breaking it. Because you can't just take it off for some really dumb reason. I think I'm just going to have a rule about home light. Don't do it. Every time I work on a home light, there's always something weird and stupid. But I don't know if you can tell. There is no air filter. It's a little worrisome. It's in here. No. Such a hokey design, I just don't even know where to start. It's going to be a real pain to have to clean that card. There we go. Now I'm not going to put it on. We will do though. So what type of adjustments do we have there? Looks like we have square D. Because it was dry. Try to maybe richen the mixture up a little bit. Let's see what we have here. It's on, it's on choke. Plenty of times. Kinda wants to. I'll just put a little bit of fuel down the intake. try this. Let me do this on the floor. Yeah. It's probably a carb cleaning. Let me fiddle with this stupid cover a little longer so we can get that off and get the carb off. This is odd. It's the second machine that I've worked on today where the spark plug was bad. But it showed spark. So, let me show you. Let's figure this out. Choke. So, obviously it needs a little work, but I don't think it's the carb. Oddly enough, I think it was just that spark plug. So let us undo what I did for the carb adjustment. Put this back together. Deal about this piece later. I'm gonna put this back on. You don't need to see that. Okay, let's see if it starts with no choke. Maybe it's too much on the low end. Let's turn that back a little bit. And we'll turn the high a little bit. I mean, I would have run a little longer. But looks like it's good to go. Just needed fresh gas, new plug. Yeah, I mean that would definitely make it choppy in the higher RPMs. It's not getting enough adequate spark. So yeah, I guess that's really about it. This is what happens when your plug starts to go bad on a chainsaw and your fuel's bad. If you like what you see, definitely keep watching, like, subscribe, and I'll see everyone later.